Hey, finally my order has arrived. I can't wait to check this out. I can't wait to check it out. Hmm. Hmm. I pray I don't be in a situation whereby I get to receive what I did not order for because I'm not ready for that. I see a lot of people complaining what they ordered online is not what they get. I don't want it to happen to me. So sit back, lollipop. Let's dive into the video and check this baby. What is inside this house? Welcome back, guys. So, to my OG subscribers, thank you for all your support. I see you guys, and you always know that I don't take you guys for granted. And if it's the first time of coming across this beautiful face, I am Ngozi, a YouTuber based in Nigeria. And if you love what we are doing here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And lastly, don't forget to turn on your notification bell button so that you get notified whenever we drop new videos or we go live. So sit back, like I said, let's unbox this. So last week I thought of getting a new wig to my collection. I embossed a friend of mine because she told me her sister, one of her sisters, do sell hairs. So I entered her DM. I told her what I wanted. She showed me some videos, and finally we arrived at this particular one. So let's unbox it and let's check if it's actually or exactly what we order or what I order. So here you with me is my scissors. So let's unbox. Let's unbox. And before I forgot, I placed this last week and I received this package last night. So I could not make video of it last night. So I decided to do it today. This thing contains my location, my name, and my phone number. Guys, my heart is beating. Boom, boom, boom. Because you know why? I don't want in a situation whereby all those things I normally see online, people complaining what they ordered is not what they get. I don't want it to happen to me. God, I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm even doing sign of the cross. I'm so anxious. Anxiety want to kill me. Yeah. Hey, God. Hmm. Hey, God. I pray is what I ordered for. Okay. 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 And the person I ordered this thing is from Mercy Luxury Hair. I don't know if you can see it. Mercy Luxury Hair. She's based in Delta State, but not the same as Abaye that I did. She's based in Delta State and Abo, Abo Delta, Abo Delta State. Hey, Lord of Jesus, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, this is it. Let's keep this aside first. Guys, this is good. The texture, baby. Guys, the texture is wow. This is wonderful. Good. What is this? It's like she applied something. Still wet. This is busy coil. God, this is lovely. I don't know if you can see it. This is the closure. Is the closure. I was scared of the closure. Hey, because you will see some people order nice hair They'll tell you that they order hair, and the vendor, I don't know if they change the closure, but this is good. Hey, I'm impressed. But yes, there is but though is still okay. The but here is the length. Because check this now. See this check the video out. The length what they add there is not almost the same thing. I guess this is 12 inches and I ordered for 14 inches. But let's keep that aside first. This is good. Um, this is good. God, this is good. This is good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So this is the car. This is it. I'm impressed. So finally, it's not what? How did they say it? I got what I ordered for. Yes. Hey guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Let's 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 wear it. Let's wear it. I'm a local too. Pardon my hair. It's my fine hair. Pardon it too. Hmm. Pardon my hair. Oh. So, yes, so you guys still beautiful. There's nothing I did on my hair. Yeah, I'm not the lover of plaiting of hair because I can't sit down for long and my hair is always painful. So let's wait. How did they wear them? I don't have any pattern. Anyhow, wear them. I'm gonna take them. Okay, okay. Let's go first. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. This is good. The texture. Let me use my hand first. The texture. This is good. Yeah. Yes, this is good. I love it. I love it. So guys, what do you think? This on my hair and this picture and proof. Is it exactly what I ordered? Or do you have any other opinion? You know, we are in this together. So does it look exactly what I ordered? The only issue here is that this is 14 inches, and that was what I ordered for the 14 inches. But this here right here is 12 inches. So, I'm into hair, so I know the length of hairs without being told. So, guys, check me out now. Check your get. Okay. At least my money did not waste. Oh God, I'm feeling myself. So guys, thank you for watching. Because if you watch up to this end, you are my VVIP. I don't take you for granted. And if you love this video, please don't forget to hit the like button for me. Or drop your nice comment. What do you have to say about this? About this? Drop it. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop new videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying up to this time. I love you. Bye. And see you guys in my next video. I love you.